Hey, here I am in my second home, another Marriott, and wanted to talk to you a little bit about time management when it comes to real estate agents. So I am just getting to, where am I at today? Baltimore, Maryland, doing an event for about 100 realtors tomorrow morning. And we always get to the hotel the night before, of course, make sure everything's set up, that type of thing. But on my drive in, I was kind of thinking about one of the biggest problems a lot of real estate agents face, and that big problem they have is time management. So if you're a realtor, you certainly know that time is the elusive monster, right? We can't get a lot of things completed. We're always chasing our tail, trying to get things done. And what happens is, if you're not real organized, you don't think about those important things you meant to do until you lay down at night and you think, oh, I can finally go to sleep. Oh my gosh, I forgot to call that seller back. Right? So it happens all the time. And the fact is that for all of the agents I work with, I mean, I've worked with 30,000 realtors around the country, and every single week we're meeting more and more. Again, I've got 100 of them that'll be here in Baltimore tomorrow. Our coaching retreat is going to be next month, a little over 30 days away, and we'll have several hundred agents there. And everybody seems to struggle with this same problem. But let me tell you, what you'll find is that if you're a little lost and confused when it comes to what you should be doing every day, you have a real bad problem with time management. And the problem is we're doing a whole lot of research, we're checking things out, we're trying, do I need this software program? Should I try this lead generation approach? Maybe I need this. Well, what's that realtor doing? Maybe I should try that out. And we're just spending all of our time searching and trying to run a better business. We're not really working. So the fact that, I've told everybody, how can you be so busy you don't have any time, but you also don't have any closings? Like, what are you busy doing, right? So all of the things we're doing a lot of times is kind of looking for jobs, looking for buyers and sellers that we can work with. So I've actually got a session that I'm going to be doing tomorrow at the live event for those that will be here. I've got a session about how you can get a whole lot more accomplished by just being focused. It's not about, time management or you got to do these certain things. A lot of times it's about what you don't do. So we're going to talk a little bit about that at the session tomorrow. So if you kind of did a column, if you did two columns on a piece of paper, I want you to think about the left side being all of the things I must get done as a real estate agent, which there's nothing more important than your marketing. If you're not doing any marketing, you don't even exist. You're trying to do like past clients and referrals, which is good money, but it's like that much money, right? It's not consistent enough to build a retirement for you. So the left side of our column is what we have to do as a real estate agent. The right side of the column is the things we absolutely refuse to ever do again. As an example, there's an awful lot of agents that'll spend all their time in an email, checking their email, and once they finally checked all their emails and cleaned all that crap out, you know what they do then? They hit refresh to find more emails. And then they'll check that one out, and they'll go over to that website, and they'll look at it again, and then they'll check in their email again, and they'll hit refresh. And they really think that's selling real estate, looking for other opportunities. So we're going to be talking a lot about this, not only at the event I'm doing tomorrow, but especially for all you coaching members. I see some of you commenting here. Thanks for joining, by the way. I got to scroll on my phone if you see me doing this. Thanks for all of you that have joined up with Inner Circle. This is going to be big for you. I know we've got a lot of Inner Circle members that still follow on Facebook as well. And, look, nothing feels better than getting a whole lot more done in your day, being more productive with what you're doing. Getting rid of those distractions. And the two biggest problems for realtors is distraction and procrastination, right? So I want you to start thinking about those two columns. What would I put on the left side that I absolutely must do every single day as a real estate agent, which is always marketing? And on the right side, what are the things I'll never, ever do again? Start doing that. I think you'll see a tremendous difference in your business. So hopefully that's helpful for you. I see some of you commenting here. Thanks for commenting. I know we've got my upcoming tour. We've got Baltimore tomorrow. Next week is Atlanta, Georgia. The following week is Orlando, Florida. And then we have our big coaching retreat coming up, which I'm really excited about. A couple of guests going to be at this one. Much, much bigger event than we've ever done in the past. And very excited for the content I'll be giving you so that you have kind of a done-for-you model in your real estate business, like knowing what you should be doing every day. So when you wake up, you're selling real estate with a purpose. And I think that's the big, big goal for us is when I wake up, I know exactly what the hell I'm doing. I know exactly how to put it in place. rather than just the random strolling around as a lot of agents do. So anyway, it's a little late here. What is it, 9, 10 o'clock, something like that, at my local Marriott. I was actually just looking today. I don't know if you guys can even see this. I'm on my laptop. We're in like what is today, about the 50th day of the year? I don't know if you can see this. I've spent 20 days in a Marriott already. 20 days in a Marriott out of 50 days. Traveling around helping these agents out. We're doing marketing videos, listing presentations. I help a lot of agents out with their luxury listings, fly all over the country to do some multi-million dollar deals that way. But we're like midway through February. I have spent 20 days in a Marriott. So this is my second home. I can use the TV clicker, the remote, without even looking at it. That means you spend way too much time in a hotel. So anyway, start to think about your time management, exactly what you need to do. Me, when I'm tired, I'm rambling, so a real bad use of your time is listening to me ramble. But I'm excited to see everybody at the upcoming events. We've got some awesome training coming up. There's a link in the description here somewhere for getfastclosings.com. That's a really fast way for you to get immediate results. And by the way, here's what we do. Those of you that join up with Inner Circle, I show you how to get an appointment that very day before the sun goes down. You can be meeting with a seller in your marketplace. Doesn't take weeks. It's that very day. So I want you to be involved with us. Go to getfastclosings.com and you'll see some details there. So thanks so much for joining us here, and we'll plan on talking to you soon. You want some more info on me? GregLutherCoaching.com. If you want to check out the tour that we're doing with the totally free trainings, you can go to GregLutherLive.com. So there's a whole bunch of websites. You can go to FoxNews.com. You can go to CNN. You can go to Google.com. You can go to a whole bunch of websites. I'll give you as many as I can here. So anyway, go make some money. Make it a profitable week. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do, but you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you, because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below, because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below, and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon. Hey, it's Greg Luther, and listen, I'm just getting home from a long drive. I was in Baltimore today. Honey is excited to see me. Say hi, girl. She is excited to see me. I've been gone for a day and a half, dealing with, or I should say, presenting at Baltimore, working with 60 realtors that showed up for our Baltimore event at Greg Luther Live. And I just got home, checked my email, and here's what you're going to be excited to see. The agents that I met with this morning are already generating closings. They're already generating business. Four or five agents that I got emails from got appointments with clients for today. So my promise to them this morning was, if you use this, you will have business before the sun goes down tonight. And sure enough, four, maybe five, but I believe four agents already got appointments before the sun went down today. So they got appointments before I got back home. So I want you to think about what you're doing in your real estate business, and are you using some of the free marketing approaches that you can put in place to generate immediate closings for yourself? You don't need to buy a bunch of leads. You certainly don't need a software program and a website and all of these things that these companies are trying to sell you. At Greg Luther Live today, our Baltimore event, last week was Dallas, this week was Baltimore. We talked for 3 hours about here's what you put in place, here's what you do, here's what you say, here's how the meeting goes, here's how you put this in place to generate business for yourself immediately. Today, I want you to get appointments for yourself. The reason I tell you about this is, again, getting home and seeing those results is phenomenal. I haven't even had dinner yet, and I just checked email real quick, and sure enough, here's the agents that I just met this morning already getting listing appointments. Some of these agents haven't had listings in a long time. They now have a system for generating appointments for themselves, and it happens just that quick, quicker than I can drive home. So wanted to let you know about that because next week I'm in Atlanta, Georgia. The following week I'm in Florida. The week after that, or a couple of weeks after that, I'm in California, and then I'm in Chicago. You can get a free ticket to that event, to Greg Luther Live, if you go to greglutherlive.com. And maybe we'll spend a few hours together to kind of go over, here's how you build a business the right way. Here's how you compete with all of these cash offers for your houses things, with all of these discount brokers that are out there, with the massive changes that are happening in the real estate market. We're going to cover that during this all-new training. Again, you can get a ticket to that at greglutherlive.com. Should be a link in the description here somewhere. But for all of the agents that took action here today, so excited to see what you're doing in your business already, getting those results for yourself. Couldn't be happier about it. Make sure you're using that bulletproof listing presentation because you're going to have signs in the yard and you're going to have deals closing next month. So I want everybody to be next on the list. Again, you can reserve your spot at greglutherlive.com. We've got a few tickets left. I can tell you our Atlanta event next week. By the way, today at Baltimore, there were 6 or 7 agents in the room, so about 10% of the room. They flew in from a long way away. Atlanta is a much bigger event, as is Orlando. We've got about 200 agents registered at each event. They will be flying in from all over the country, and it's totally free to attend that training. So I think you'll find it very helpful, and it will make a big, big change to get you some immediate results. Check it out, greglutherlive.com. I'm going to go get something to eat, spend a little time with honey here, and hopefully get caught up on some work. This has been a long, long day today, but very profitable when I see other agents doing well. So hopefully you're next on the list. greglutherlive.com. Go make some money. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do, but you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.